So let's talk about systems of equations. So in this situation, we've got a word problem. So in order for us to solve the system of equations, we have to create the two equations from the word problem ourselves. They don't give it to us. So let's see if we can analyze this problem. It says, at a restaurant, the cost for a breakfast taco and a small glass of milk is $2.10. The cost for 2 tacos and 3 small glasses of milk is $5.15. Which pair of equations can be used to determine T, the cost of a taco, and M, the cost of a small glass of milk? So I really like that they even point out to us what T and M are. So T would represent the taco and M would represent the small glass of milk. So it gives us 2 equations, or it gives us 2 sets of information that we can use to make our equations. First, it tells us that a breakfast taco and a small glass of milk is $2.10. It also says 2 tacos and 3 small glasses of milk would be $5.15. So let's start by looking at this yellow equation. So 1 taco and 1 small glass of milk is $2.10. So I could write something like 1 taco plus 1 glass of milk equals $2.10. If we wanted to, we could write 1s in front of T and M to represent 1 taco and 1 glass of milk. But remember, 1 times T is just T, or 1 times M is just M, so that doesn't even matter. So that's one equation. I guess I can highlight this in yellow to show that, that's where that came from. Next, it looks like we have 2 tacos and 3 small glasses of milk. So we have 3 tacos plus 2, no, I got that backwards. Oops. Erase, Control Z. 2 tacos plus 3 glasses of milk. 3M. So that now equals 515. So we had 3 different ways to solve our systems of equations. We could look at graphing them, we could look at elimination, or we could look at substitution. So I'll let you kind of determine the best way of solving them. But for me, I'm going to try using elimination first, and then I'll double check my answer with the calculator. So let's try to do some elimination real quick. Remember, in elimination, we need to create some kind of additive inverse. So I think I'm going to look at this 2t and try to get some kind of additive inverse for 2t. So the opposite of 2t would be negative 2t. Let's multiply, that's a 2. Let's multiply the entire top equation by negative 2 to now get negative 2t plus, actually be minus 2m, and that equals negative $4.20. I did not multiply the bottom equation, so I'm just going to keep it as 4t plus 3m equals 515. And remember, I need to combine these 2 equations. It looks like, I guess I'll use this weird pink pencil. It looks like these here cross each other out, which is the whole point of elimination. Minus 2m plus 3m just leaves us with 1m. And if I do negative $4.20 plus $5.15, you end up with, what is that, 95 cents? Let me just double check with my calculator real quick. So it was negative 420 plus 515. Okay, 95 cents. Great. So M equals 95 cents. If M equals 95 cents, well, let's just use one of these 2 equations to double check that we can find out what the taco price is. So if T equals, if T plus M equals 210, and M, right, if this value right here is 95 cents, I can substitute that in for M. So we now get T plus 95 cents equals $2.10. If I want to solve for T, subtract 95 cents from both sides of my equation. This ends up crossing itself out. So altogether, we see that, what is this, $1.15? T equals $1.15. Let's double check and make sure I got this right. So I'm going to use these two equations that I came up with to graph this and see what I get. T plus m equals 210. Let's go back to my graphing calculator. T plus m equals 210. Let's see what else it was. 2t plus 3m. 2t plus 3m equals 515. Remember, Desmos does not like you graphing things with variables other than x and y. So I'll replace t with x and m with y. Already see some graphs popping up, which is great. So if I look at the intersection right here, they cross at the point 115, 0.95, which makes sense, right? Those are the two values that we got. 115, 0.95.